750 and plug her in. So let's push this back a little bit. That box over there. Here's my Radeon Nzxt 950. I'm contemplating if I should install this first or the power supply. I would think this, because put this in doesn't really affect the wires any, I don't think. And it takes up power too, so whatever. Why not? Don't think we got much to lose. Okay, let's open her up. Oops. Okay. Wow. Holy crap. Okay, so here we have the Radeon Nzxt 950. Wow. This is a big card. It's pretty cool though. Okay. Got foam. Put it that way. Under here, what do we have? We have a DVI to VGA or something like that adapter. It's always nice, but I don't need it. Let's put this in the pile over here. We have our power cables, I think. We have a, what is this? Some type of adapter for something. We have another SLI, or, oh, this isn't SLI, this is a Corsair connector. We have an SLI with the motherboard, I think, or, I don't know, maybe. Quick user's guide, it's always cool. What is this? Oh, sweet. You get free copy of 3 Mark 11. That is nice. It didn't even say that on the website. That's awesome. And I got this card for cheap too, so that's awesome. Just another advertising booklet and what looks to be like drivers. Yep, driver utility. And more power cables things. Let's put the box over there. And put these on my desk here. Okay, let's get the card itself. Let me ground myself, just one little check. Okay, looks like it opens on this side. So, let's do this. Holy crap. Wow. This is really nice. It has caps on many display ports and everything. Even the ports over here. It's got the BIOS switch right up here. Power connectors. These are the Corsair connectors, I believe. Yep, and here's where it gets connected to the motherboard. That is nice. Okay. I'm gonna put in the first slot over here. So let me unscrew that. It's got Afterburner logo on it. That's always a nice touch. Alright, so let's unscrew. 1 second, guys. Yeah, unscrew the screw that is with a mesh. How tall is this card? Double length. Oh man, these are tight. Where'd I put my screwdriver? Oh, here it is. Screwdriver comes very handy, as you guys have seen, putting together a computer, as I've realized. It's a very crucial part. Let's take that one out, and one more. These things may seem tight to you with the screwdriver. They're pretty loose. And that's 2. I think that's good. Take out the middle thing? No. Oh well. Just take the cover off this. plastic covers off. This is nice how they cover it all up. And try and keep it nice and clean. HDMI, mini display port. This is just a nice card overall. I mean, man, oh man. Okay. So. Oh, I took out the wrong drill. Sit down. Okay. So let's put the card in. It's just like putting RAM in, from what I understand. Get a nice firm connection. Sitting there alright. There we go. It clicks and locks in. Okay, it's all good. Now let's put the thumb screws back in. One thumb screw. And second thumb screw. Just to help it hold in place even more than the motherboard does. Okay. Nice and firm connection. It's a really big card. It goes up to one of the wiring hiding things that look like the plugs for the wire coiling, except they're bigger for wires. Yeah. Okay, that was probably the easiest step so far. Okay, now comes the interesting part. Putting the PSU on. Okay, so let's open the box up. Here, I'll put this upright. That is a big cooler. It's not pretty firm, sturdy though. Just barely makes it with clearance of the door, I think. That's good though. It's good. Yes. Rip this open. Okay, this 5 years guaranteed. 80 plus bronze. It's a weird box though. It's like it looks old and rusty and it's just weird on Corsair's part. This is the first Corsair part I have in my computer actually. And the only, because Corsair, I tried to get some good deals like Corsair. As if you don't know, they're pretty well-named brand and pretty expensive. But with power supply, you don't really want to skip. And I got this for a pretty good deal on sale too. So. Put that up there. For the time being. Oh, made in China. Good to know. Good to know. I love my methods. There we go. That didn't work so well. Try this way. There we go. That worked perfect. Do we even open it that way? No. Oh, I'm dumb. So I didn't need to do that. Okay, I got the 650 And unfortunately, it's not, oh, here's the big power cable. Unfortunately, it's not, the 650 or any of these, the TX series. They're trying to be cheaper, so they're not modular, which means I have to hide more cables. Honestly, this is my first computer. Hiding cables isn't my biggest thing. And it comes with zip ties. I got a lot of zip ties with this computer. It's always good. It's a nice firm packaging. It's in this cool bag. That's pretty awesome. Okay, how does this bag come off? Man, this is like a bag you could use for like anything. Like, it's a really nice bag. It's honestly a lot smaller than I expected coming in that huge box. Well, it wasn't huge, but it wasn't small either. Okay, got on-off switch. What does it say? Just boring stuff, just specs. Stuff I don't really care about. Okay, how do I get this tie off? Do I need to cut it with scissors? Oh no, comes off. That's nice. This Corsair stuff. Corsair, they might be expensive, but they sure make hell of a nice product. Okay, wow. They said they extended the wires, and they sure did. They said the old version, they made the wires, some people said they weren't long enough, so they made them long over it. Just me prepping the case to put the power supply in, stuff like that. Not really worth you guys seeing. And it saved you about 30 seconds there, so yep. Oh, here's the screw I lost earlier. Okay, what bag is that going? I'll put it up here. Okay, second side panel. It's got a mesh in here so you can see a little bit of the wires, but that's okay. We'll work on that. Who cares? I mean, I'm not even going to be looking at that side. Okay. Back here you can see the back plate. These cords I want to take out. Okay. It's going to be interesting because I have no idea what any of these cords go to. Like where they go or anything. So, very interesting. I have never seen any of these cords at all, and wow, now I see why you'd like to have modular cables, but hey, performance for the least price, so how much that cost? That's okay. Performance will be worth it. Got all the cables on this side. Oh no, I don't. Almost all the cables. No. Pull some more through. Man, I thought there were a lot of cables under my desk, but this is just massive. I'll show you guys in a second. Is there any bracket? Oh yeah, there's a bracket. I mean, there's not a bracket. There's screws. You guys see the cable mats back there? Man. Okay, what type of screws should I use? Okay. My printer's printing something. So, where did I put my screws? Oh, here they go. I think I can use the same type of screws. Oh no, I need something longer.